Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. If you are checking out this folding walking cane here, let me show you it up close, some of the features of it and what I really think about it so that you can make a really good decision. First, it does fold up pretty good. Ladies, if you had a bigger bag, maybe a big purse, something like that, you could easily fold this up and put it in it. This is great for in the car. So if you're getting in and out of a vehicle, you can fold this up, put it down in the side of the door or in the floorboard, something like that very easily, I think. Now, you might ask, how well does it stay together once it's put together? Let me show you. But first, I want to show you the bottom of it here. This is really good here. This is the way that the bottom looks. You see it has these 4 pads and they're pretty decent size. This is my thumb and it's bigger than my thumb. So it's a pretty good size there. You can see it's held together with 8 different screws. So nice and sturdy there. One of the big concerns I would think would be how well do these grip? Now these are actually rubber, they're not plastic, so they have a nice grip to them. I'm going to show you. I'm going to use it to walk around so that you can see how well it grips and how well it works on different surfaces. Now, how easy is it to put together? Well, it goes together about this fast. Done. That simple, that easy. So it is adjustable. It has a lot of different positions here for your height. It does have this wrist strap that is really great. So that way, if you're walking and it slips out of your hand, it's not going to fall. You can keep it right there. I like the feel of the handle here. Fits really nice into the grip. So let's check it out. So one of the nice things about this particular one is that it is self-standing. I can leave it, do something, pay for my groceries, whatever it is I'm doing, it's going to be right there. I don't have to worry about leaning it up against something and having it fall. It does come in a variety of different colors. I do like the base here. As you can see, it allows the cane to still be down and get a nice walking motion. Works well on surfaces like carpet. Even when I'm moving from a little slightly higher to a lower to this tile. Works well on concrete. Easy to use on stairs. And it's easy to use on grass as well. Some canes that are not wide at the base but pointy could sink right down into the grass. This one works very well even on uneven ground. So if you're looking at getting this cane and considering it, that's some of the reasons that I like it and that I think it works really well. I hope this helps.